Welcome guys. So this is also a easy tree problem called a Univalued binary tree. Okay, so somebody give you the binary tree, and what you need to check is every node in the tree has the same value. Okay, so for example, all of this is 1 1 1 1, then just 3, and this is 2 2 2 5 false. So basically, to solve it, one can create one can basically. So first we just traverse the tree, and you can use any kind of order, like pre-order, in order, of whatever. We just use a list, and a list collect all the nodes in the tree, and after that we just check that whether all the list whether all the element in it has the same element. Okay, so this is the get node. First I create a global list called L, and initialize it to be empty. So this is the tree traversal. So this is basically this get node, this list just collect all the node, all the node value into a list. So when I get L equals to get node, then I get all the number in a list. Then I check that I take a set. So when I take a set, if all the element in the list is the same, when I take a set, then it will only remain one element. So the length of that one element is 1. And if L contains 2 or more elements, then when I take a set, then the length of it will larger than 1. So this length set L equals 1. Just check that whether the list only contains whether the whole list only contains one element, one distinct element. Okay, so it's very straightforward, and very straightforward. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.